So this important event po in our family, we are very thankful po because 2 generations na po ni pamilya namin mag-celebrate din. So ito maragulyang blessing. One is which is yung katamang poging senior dad, ni Lolo OA. And at the same time, followed by my handsome and favorite nephew, Lucha, hello! Zachary. So for 10 years po niya niya pamigbalan ni Zach. So he really deserves this one mo rin. So, hi Zach. Okay. Sabi na ako nandun, tita, ano ka kayo? I don't want to be given that full of attention. Si Marina yan po ano nga. Pero huwag ang po rin niyang pasabog. Naway niya po. So, dakala salamat kasi higit ko itatang ko po. Bigla yung maybe pangatao pa si Bayo. Higit mo rin kabarkada na eh. Ikaw Jessie, ako iba pang Orly, rin po niya. So, meron niya po kasi mga kulong kaya kami niya. So, dakala salamat po. And for the rest of the night po, let's enjoy po and mag-participate kayo po rin kaya katamang activity for this family. Thank you!